Hi.
Shout out.
Hi. How are you?
Hi guys, welcome to
So
my
here's
live.
your reward.
May reward pa ako kay Sir.
Wow, sana all.
Thank you so much, ah.
Yan. Next time, mas malala na dito.
Thank you for recommending your client to me.
Oh my God,
She gave she gave me a client. How I wish that it's really a real client, not her.
Sino?
And then
Huwag naman English, ano ba yan?
she paid me now based on what we have agreed on the day itself. So congratulate her, guys and girls.
Parang nanalo ah. Ba't parang ang ganda ko dyan?
Di ba? Looming.
Parang kahit lapadan yung mukha ko, nagiging hugis bigas.
Siguro nadiligang ka.
Nagre-react yung kapatid.
Uy, thank you, ha. Aside from that, I just wanna thank you also for being a good payer as by yourself. So I really appreciate for being a good payer. Her name, guys and girls, is Jessica. Jessica, make some greetings. Sige na.
Ayoko!
Greet your family and your jowa.
Oh, I agree!
First name of jowa.
Wala.
O your kids na lang. Greet your kids.
Huwag na!
O promote your shop.
Let's shop!
This one.
Hi guys, if you want a perfume, come here in Santa Lucia and second floor.
Sige, sige. Second floor. Ground floor.
Meron kami
Ground
nga
floor,
50% off. FC, Nadalaw. So good na.
So, how's the price? How's the price?
160.
How about the service?
Ay, 100%. Good
Very,
service.
very good.
Very
If you
good.
want a piece,
Oh, touch.
big piece.
Oh my God.
Okay, shout out to each every one of you. Bye for now. Thank you, Lord, for all the wonderful blessings that you gave to me. Thank you to all my silent subscribers, to all my first viewers and never get tired of my masterpieces. Thank you so much, each every one of you. To all my Facebook viewers, to each every one of you, thank you so much. Helen Caneta, my childhood friend, my sister Christine, and to each every one of you, thank you so much. Bye for now, mama. Say bye na, guys.
Bye.
Once again, aficionado, please come over here in Santa Lucia, okay? Phase 2.
Phase 2.
She's Jessica and the other one is?
Bye.
Oh, Mike. Bye.
Bye. Ang dami na